Yo. What is up, guys? Welcome back to What Did I Miss? Yeah. That one I name What Did I Miss? As you don't know, I start a new segment where the song them drop so fast and me react to them extra fast, like fastest. So I'm liable to miss things. So we are gonna go back in it and find out what I missed. Cause I listened to this song a couple of times now and been a vibe to it and it's bad. So I could go pick up back some bar where I missed. So let's jump in on the one and so I go on. Family, Dirth there. Yes. What did I miss? Let's go.
Fixing business fees.
Go and go watch the original reaction to see what I got there, because I'm gonna be skipping a lot of crucial bar where only think me I skip, but me catch them already.
Fixing business fee. And all who are key secret fee. Come call them.
Ink drop, big up yourself, your production, my G.
60s doing.
From the markup box, so you turn idiot. From that, me not see, but tap the nice gun idiot.
Yo, the G I run fast, you know, yo. The G I run fast, you know. Also, we see Marco live. I didn't catch it live when it was live, but me see it on screen recording on Facebook on YouTube. And Marco went live and I played a song here. And the comment section I asked him if in the box genocide boss, he never answer. He never answer. So I don't know what I go on there. So Massacre, come clear up, please.
Who are key secret fee. Come call them 60s doing.
From the markup box, so you turn idiot. From that, me not see, but tap the nice gun idiot.
You really call the man gun idiot. So, yo, them artists are really have Massacre as a nerd. Them as a Massacre no bad man, dog.
Know your style for run out and run in, but plug out and plug in, but no good is a sheet that.
Come at top of feature, me no need that. How the demon fi fear you know Jesus. Backstage in the beat,
Me say not doing that.
And the backstage when them beat. So Massacre get beaten on backstage. How of them things are fabricated? Allegedly Massacre get beaten backstage. I wonder what one.
Badness why you speak if you no mean that.
Looking at the Glock and you will find hope. Catch around the table with a suicide note. Have a matic full of hollow pussy, you know try ball too. Got chuck up in your mama like toad.
Got chuck up in your mama like toad. So Tamily use back the same metaphor where Massacre did use in a theme song when him say him make your brain jump out like toad or something like that. Him say something about toad anyway. So Sparta boss right here say you got chuck back up in your mama like toad. Jump. Yeah, alright, let's go.
Looking like scope, shut up, pretty nine dome. Hunt for your dope, me make you look like crew.
You a crooks, so you a go till him a skip the pyro.
Me tell you what me find out.
You no killer, you coward.
Fixing business fee. Gonna call him 16 dream. A 3 killer with 316.
You no killer.
Fixing business fee. So all who a keep secret fee. So them bad must see dream.
Alright.
If you are the Billy Goat, I mean, I go kill it. My murder, I no kill it. Sport artist, I'm a kill him.
So I must say, if me are the Billy Goat, no, if you are the Billy Goat and me, I go kill it. My badness, I no kill the sport. I no child spare badness around us. So no, a gunshot here get better real.
If you are the Billy Goat, I mean, I go kill it. My murder, I no kill it. Sport artist, I'm a kill him. Anybody's with it on your brain.
Him say artist, I'm a kill the most. So he must say him kill the most artists in the business. So one family war. So him shoot one more. Comment section, tell me one more. Me can't remember off the top of my head now. Right now.
I mean, I go kill it. My murder, I no kill it. Sport artist, I'm a kill him. Anybody's with it on your brain, bullet up, pick it up. I nothing but a mosquito was fighting when him see the smoke. Listen, me no silly Billy, copper, I no silicone. Rifle with the.
I say, listen, me no silly Billy, copper, I no silicone. Copper and a silicone with G.
Mosquito was fighting when him see the smoke. Listen, me no silly Billy, copper, I no silicone. Rifle with the beam, I tear marina, got damage your bone.
Rifle with the beam, a tear marina, a damage your bone. So the material say the rifle fly right through your teeth.
Rifle with the beam, a tear marina, got damage your bone. Talk about you rich and you not have a thing on me not own. Madness I go bring your home, me lady like a kidney stone. Massacre you not.
Say madness I go bring your home, me daddy like a kidney stone. Anybody who have kidney stone before know how that shit painful, bro. So man, I tell you, say yo, deadly like a kidney stone, that can kill you.
Madness I go bring your home, me lady like a kidney stone. Massacre you not a killer. Tapa ziggy left your pan the ground and cry like caterpillar. From your this.
And say Massacre you not a killer, bro. The man said that ziggy I go left up on the ground and crawl like a caterpillar. Yes. Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Like a kidney stone, massacre, you're not a killer. Tap a ziggy, left your pan the ground and crawl like caterpillar. From your this teacher man, we fully up a copper for that. Shut a snap your neck like me, I snap a picture. I one flow, you living now, you're afraid of property tax. The world no say you nobody, no fish shot a nigga.
Can I just applaud him for the line there where him just drop? Him say, yo, one floor you living now. You're afraid of property tax. So him a play upon the one floor thing where the fans them been and say, yo, Massacre living a one floor, and him floor get boring now and rare. That's how them I say. I don't believe that. But Tamily I play upon that, you know, and I confirm what the fans them been and say. So him smart.
I one floor you living now, you're afraid of property tax. The world no say you nobody, no fish shot a nigga. Send a little killer, figure killer in a you habitat.
Man said the whole world knows say you're nobody, no dog. You're not a killer. Send a little juvenile, send a little killer. Go kill in your habitat. Swamp I'm habitat because remember say I'm a croc. So you see me? So he must send
no say you nobody, no fish shot a nigga. Send a little killer, figure killer in a you habitat. I coulda carbon on the automatic 𝐼𝐸. No care what caliber. They say you want a war, me send a guy go set them up and wet them up like water war. Cannot be the king, cause you no know we close to Gaza bars. Look how this a nerd, I get murdered by the Sparta bars.
Look how this a nerd I get murdered by the Sparta boss. So once again, I said it in the beginning, them have Massacre as a nerd. So him just confirm it right now. So I say, yo, look how this a nerd I go get murdered by the Sparta boss.
The king, cause you no know we close to Gaza bars. Look how this a nerd I get murdered by the Sparta bars. You walk away cause you're free for the Sparta bars. Man never climb me on your back.
That line there no dog. That line there no. And don't get it twisted. Massacre Tamily wasn't inviting Alkaline in the war, no. He must style Alkaline, bro. He must say, yo, look how this a nerd, yeah. So him style one as a nerd and style one as Brata boss. Him say, yo, look how this a nerd, yeah. I'm afraid to answer the Brata boss. So, right now, me know say, Vendetta fans them a beat me for that, you know. So Vendetta fans them on the fence, you know. Them not in the arena anymore. I look and I say, yo, go and beat him Tamil, knock him out Tamil because him afraid to answer Vendetta boss. No, them not say that anymore. Them a say, yo, Tamil, yeah, go dead too, yeah, pussy. Your style and Vendetta boss as Brata boss. So the Vendetta fans them not happy with your Tamil right now. Me can tell you that. Alright, him saying son rich, him I got ton fish. I'm father fall. Basically, him a said that so him born in the money, him growing the money, everything come easy. So anything where come easy, man, we normally fuck your feet. So that him a tell us say, yo, your son rich, alright, man, I go fuck you.
Him saying son rich, him a got tongue for shine father fall. Remember you new to this and even know the art of war. You a go die. Well, Massacre, it's your birthday, me a go murder you on your birthday. Me a go slaughter you on your birthday. Me no give a fuck, it's your birthday.
That part of me like, man, possess yourself, brother.
Now, pussy.
Dead.
Even this increase, while them go wake up the beast. Fuck me, I fuck up the street. Fuck the police, every demon me unleash. High power gun pan repeat. And any boy feel like them bad and them strong. I am a atomic ticking time bomb. I don't have to suck no pussy figure down like the Amazon River. Your blood I go run. John Hill military if you do my kind of fight. When the dust develop me say like I feel like any. I don't have to suck no pussy figure down like the Amazon River. Your blood I go run. John Hill military if you do my kind of fight. When the dust develop me say like I feel like.
And say, yo, you need military if you do my type of fight. Yeah, you like a 5-0, like a police friend them because him don't say fuck the police, you know. So him say fuck the police, but him a big up the military them couple line after him. I say, yo, you need the military. You need a military if you do my type of badness, bro. Cause my badness, militant.
Military if you do my kind of fight. When it does develop me say like I feel like. Anywhere we genocide. Could on the church I preach back door. At least me depend on type of pints. You fear me and your friend, you still a look taxi right by your no more. At least me depend on type of pints. You fear me and your friend, you still a look taxi right by your no more. Bumbo clock this type of life. Happy you gonna lick shot you like a rice bar. Splash out a eye brace, splash out a mine.
There's some graphic scene. The man a paint with lyrics in it, bro. Some graphic scene, dog.
Family what a coke song they was saying.
6 minutes of the coke song.
Come on, bro, stop playing, bro. Keep on my cap, the building a collapse, me come back, the rifle beam up, you like me comfort, me sky.
Clad the bomber clap, the building a collapse, the rifle beam up, your life me come for what?
Come on, bro, stop playing, bro. Keep on my cap, the building a collapse, me come back, the rifle beam up, you like me comfort, me sniper team, camouflage, come back, me dark, me evil, and me kill for comfort.
Yo, the rhythm just smooth, bro. Like, the rhythm just smooth. Me hear some people in the comment section that say that song is trash. Where? How? Me understand. One expect from the artist them. Like, one want the artist them for setting the song them. How is this song trash? I don't get it, bro. Me personally, I don't get it. I'm just saying. How is this song trash, dog? Like, the first song, Control. There wasn't enough clarity in it. I will say, yo, we need clarity. The fans them say them need clarity. Our subtitles. Him give it clarity. Plus lyrics, plus delivery, plus melody, plus counteraction, plus creativity. Yo, the man give me everything that the song, bro. One more we want. I don't understand. Fans them, wanna stop be biased, bro. I don't know if you stop be biased, dog. Not because I don't fuck with the artist. I go say like a song like this trash. Bro, don't stop that. Your body fat, oh, every day you mother we should come back. And your evidence stay like crocodile coat. Your price got a female up in that. We let them a copycat, pull tacky your body fat. I say, why them a copycat? Why them a fool? Oh, every day you mother we should come back. And your evidence stay like crocodile coat. Like crocodile coat. All your pussy like crocodile coat. Pussy, you call me Sunday, I'm hope you dead bad. The kids them catch AIDS and die from cancer. Alright, the part yeah. When time I hear the part, I say, what? Wait. When say? Come, because that part I miss me yesterday now. The man say, yo, pussy, you call me son name. I hope you're dead bad and your kids them dead by AIDS and cancer. Blood clot, dog. Remember say, I want to see him one say, all is fear and love and war, you know. Remember say, I want to say that in a dog. Remember say, I want to say anything goes in a clash in a bro. Kids. Man say, hope your kids them dead by AIDS and cancer.
Pussy, you call me Sunday, I'm hope you dead bad. The kids them catch AIDS and die from cancer. You know see my evil like a flanker. The rifle them breeze, we not above fab. When they squeeze, they can't recover. It tight the century, they can't take over. The rifle's entry. Yes, can I use that?
Impossess your fuck. Hear me I said though. Me personally, I don't think this song is trash. This song is far from trash to me. But everybody's entitled to their own opinion, I guess. And all the clashes here from both sides, the more you listen to the song them, the more they everything come clear to you. Why? Everything forward clear to you. The more you listen to the song them, the more everything forward clear to you and hear what the man must say, understand what the man must say, bro. Creativity tops, bro. Like big up Sparta boss. Massacre, big up yourself. You have your work cut out for you. Tamil is not a walkover artist. You know that. So and me know so the two artists them genuinely respect each other, bro. And respect each other because they don't have collab together, so they respect each other craft. So that warrior now no time I done right now. You know no time I done. I me like it because I know say nobody not chicken out. Nobody not give up. Nobody not run. Me know Sparta boss not go run. And I'm just hoping say when time Massacre album drop, he not get distracted and say yo fuck it, him done to the war. Me just hope say them continue until all January, dog. And that me say. You see me? Let me know what you guys think though, dog. And if I miss anything in a what did I miss? Let me know in the comment section. Alright? Big up.